Yes, children, namaste everyone. Advika, Adrit, Tarakeshwaran. Yes.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste children, namaste Nana. Please on your cams. Advika, did your classes started, ma? In your state?
Ma'am?
School started for you?
Yes, ma'am. Already started.
Oh, okay. Okay. What are the timings for you, Advika?
Ma'am, actually it starts at 9 and ends at 2:50.
2:50. Is it near or so far from home?
Ma'am, it's nearby.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, Advika. Please, children, try to on your cams. Very good, Adri. Good job. Did you completed the work given by me, children? Any doubts in Sunday test? Yes, Advika, I want to. Any doubts in Sunday test, ma?
No, ma'am.
Because I did not see the names of few students in the test. Yes, Aishwarya is here in the classroom. Aishwarya is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ashwat. Okay, Nana. Aishwarya, congratulations. Adrit, very good, very good. Good job. Almost all questions done correct by Aishwarya and Adrit. Very good. Keep it up. Good work. Sritej.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Sritej. One bit. Where is one bit you missed?
Ma'am, 1 minute, let me check.
Tarakeshwar, good job, Nana. Good job, Tarakeshwaran. You also missed 2 questions. And Soumya, Advika, Deepika. Deepika said I was outside, so my unable to not a stable network. Okay, these are the results. Children, please let me know your difficulties in Sunday test so that we'll discuss that. Then we can start our continuation part.
Ma'am, can you explain the second question?
Question number 2, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the question, Sritej, once?
Yes, ma'am. If B is the midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD, where A, B, C, D lie on a straight line, then which one is not true?
If B is midpoint of AC, okay, that means what is the order ABC? Okay, C is midpoint of BD. C is midpoint of BD. Okay, fine. A, B, C, D in order. A, B, C, D lie on in a straight line. Okay, they all are line straight lines. Then which one is not true? Okay, okay. We have to go with some work, children. Let me take A, B, C, D. Whatever mentioned in the question. It's the same, you know very well. So what is mentioned here? B is midpoint of. What are the conditions given, children? B is the midpoint of
AC.
Yeah. So if I'm taking A, B, C, so B is midpoint of right. Then C is midpoint of D. Then C is midpoint of D. Midpoint means equidistances, children. Now, which is not true? Our statement which is not true. AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC true. First condition true. AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. Yes, second condition also true. Go with the third condition. BC equal to CD. BC equal to CD. Yes, it is also same 1 unit distance. Yeah, true. AC equal to BD. AC equal to BD. There are 2 units away. C is 2 units away from A. B is D is 2 units away from B. That's also true. Which is not true. AB is equal to BD. AB equal to BD. You see, it is only 1 unit. B is away from A 1 unit. Whereas B to D is 2 units, which is not true. Sritej, which is not true, beta?
Ma'am, can you
Which
repeat
is
the
not,
option?
which is not true. AB is not equal to
Yes,
which is
ma'am.
not true.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Hope you understood, Sritej.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. That's all your doubts. I think you are. And who else? Who other students? Advika. Advika. What are your difficulties, ma'am?
Ma'am, once can you go to the last point?
First one, ma'am.
No, ma'am, the next page of the question. Ma'am,
Yeah.
the
Last one, 15th one, ma'am.
13.
1, 3, 13. What is the angle name for 1/4 revolution? 1/4 revolution is nothing but, you see, ma, this is a complete angle. This is 1/4 revolution is,
Ma'am, it's known as right angle.
yeah, 90 degrees, which is known as right angle. Yes, Sadvika. 13th one is option A is correct. Any other doubt, ma?
No, ma'am.
Good. And what about other students who are in the class? Deepika, Soumya. Soumya, any doubts? Ashwath, Soumya.
Hello.
Soumya, any doubts in Sunday test, ma? Please text me better. I cannot hear you. Yes, if you have any doubts, we will see, or else we'll go with our exercise sums. Students, shall we go with our exercise sums?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Deepika, any doubts? Ashwath, Deepika. Yes, please let me know, students. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss, or else we'll go with a new topic. Am I audible to you, children? I did not get any voice from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, what is revolution?
Which one, Nana? Ashwath? Ashwath, what is the question? Any doubt, Ashwath?
Ma'am, I wasn't there in previous
11th
class.
one? 11th one, ma?
Ma'am, 1 second.
Check it, is
Ma'am,
it 11th one?
second.
Second one. If just now we discussed, na, Ashwath, the same thing. Second one, Sritej also got the same here, you see. So AB equal to BC, BC equal to CD, AC equal to BD, but AB is not equal to BD. This only not true. Rest all the cases are true. Any other doubt, Ashwath?
Fourth one.
What is the next one?
Fourth.
Question number 4. What is the angle name for half revolution? Half revolution is, half revolution means there are like 4 partition. Half revolution means how much ma? Half revolution means
180 degrees.
180. Name of 180 degrees is?
Straight
Yes.
angle.
Yes. Straight angle. Good. Right. Next. Any other doubts? Ashwath.
Ma'am, fifth and sixth.
5th and 6th. Which direction will you face if you start facing west and make 1/4 revolution? We know the directions, right, children? What are the directions in our, you said already. If you take in this way, east, west, where is north and south, children? Where is north? Where is south?
North is
Hello.
up. North is up.
Very
South is
good. North is up, south is down. Good. Now, if you are facing your starts at west and makes 1/4, you are at west, you are making a 1/4 direction. Clockwise or anti-clockwise, that you have to notice, children. Make 1/4 revolution. 1/4 revolution. 1 minute, I cannot see here. 1/4 anti-clockwise, that's more important. Clockwise means we are moving like this. Anti-clockwise means reverse we are coming. Anti-clockwise means reverse. You are facing which direction right now?
South.
South. That's your answer.
Sixth.
Yes, ma?
Sixth bit.
Like, 6th one, what is the question? No. What part of revolution you have turned through if you stand facing east and turn clockwise north? You are at east, turn clockwise north. Turn clockwise north. You are at east, turn clockwise at north. What they're asking? 1/4 revolution, 1/2 revolution, 3/4 one complete revolution. How much we are? East to north means clockwise direction. Yes. Yes, here. This is 3/4 revolution. Yes or no? This is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Total together 3/4 revolution. Next month. Next part is. Any other doubts, Ashwath?
13 and 14.
13 and 14. What is the name for 1/4 revolution? 90 degrees or right angle better? 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. 1/4 is 90 degrees. This have name. What is the name?
Right angle.
Yes. Next, which one is? Next one is also you have doubt, I think. 14th one. What fraction of clockwise revolution does the hour hand clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9? 3 to 9. This is 3 o'clock. This is 9 o'clock. What fraction of revolution it makes? Half of the revolution, right? 3 to 9. Half of revolution. Half of fraction. 3 to 9. Yes, half revolution. Clockwise means okay, right? Half revolution. A is correct option 1. Right, any other? 15th one, okay? Is it okay, 15th one? Ashwas? Yes. Come on, children, we'll start doing our exercise ones. Yes, where we are in, children, we are in exercise part.
Ma'am, page number 64.
Page number 63.
Ma'am, 64.
Okay. Exercise sums we should do, right, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you gave second and third bit as homework.
Okay. Any doubts in second and third, children?
Yes, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Which bit, Nana?
Ma'am, third one B.
Third one B. East and make 1.5 revolution clockwise. East and 1.5 revolution. 1 minute better, I'll just help you. East face and makes 1.5 revolution. First, draw your directions, children. East, west, north, south. So 1.5 revolution means from east to full 1 revolution and again half revolution, 1.5. This is 1.5, right? 1.5 revolution means clockwise. East and make 1.5 revolution means which face you are facing. Where you are facing right now? You are at west facing. If you start east and you are doing 1.5 revolution means you are at west face, west direction. Right, any other doubts? Any other doubts, children? Okay, shall we start with 4th and 5th bit, right? Which part of revolution have you turned through if you are facing east and turn clockwise face to north? Which part of revolution you did? East and turn clockwise face to north. You are at east, turn clockwise direction at, you are facing at north. Yes, you are at east direction, west, north, south. So east to you are going to north. So how much revolution was done here? This 3/4 revolution. 3/4. Yes, 270 degrees, which is equal to 270 degrees. Very good. Come on, children, I'll ask one by one. Advika, you are at south and turn clockwise. You are facing east. How much revolution you did?
3/4.
South and east. South to east. South, you are at south to east. Very good. 3/4 revolution. Aishwarya, you are at west and turn clockwise facing east. West to east clockwise.
2/4, ma'am.
West to east clockwise. 2/4 is nothing but
180 degrees.
very good. It's a half of revolution. Half of 2/4 is nothing but if you simplify, 2 1s are 2 2s are half revolution, 180 degrees. Right one. Very good. Next, Sri Tej.
Yes,
Sri
ma'am.
Tej.
Yes, ma'am.
Here need to find out how many right angles turn through when our hand clock 3 to 6. 3 to 6 it
Ma'am,
moves
one.
one right angle. Very good. So of course, if you are taking this is 3, this is 6, this is this is 6 and this is 9 and this is 12. They're asking about 3 to 6. How many right angles? 3 to 6.
One.
1. 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock. How many right angles?
One.
1. 2 to 8. They're asking about 2 to 8.
Two.
Yes, 2 to 8. You know very well, children, 1 degree. How many hearts are there? You can take. How many hearts are there? 2 to
Ma'am,
8.
it's
How
two.
many?
Ma'am,
1,
two right.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 12. Half revolution. What they're asking question from the question? How many right angles they're asking?
Two right.
Right angles. Very good. 2 right angles. Good, Nana. Good. Next question goes to the student Ashwath. Ashwath, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath, your question is 1 minute. Your question is? Your question is 5 to 11. How many right angles, Nana? 5 o'clock to 11 o'clock. 5 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Very simple, children. Here 5.
Ma'am,
5 to 11.
Ma'am, two right.
Ma'am, two right.
Yes, 2 right angles. Very good. 5 to 11, 2 right angles. Why? Because 5 to 11 you have 6 hearts, 6 by 12, which is half of revolution. Half revolution you will get 180 degrees. 180 degrees, how many right angles? 2 into 90. So 2 right angles we have. Next, Deep Saumya. Saumya is here 10 to 1.
Hello, ma'am.
10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Yes, 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Means how many hours, ma?
Ma'am,
1, 2,
one.
3.
Ma'am,
3
one.
out of 3 out of 12 means 1/4 revolution. 1/4 revolution means 90 degrees. 90 degrees means 1 right angle. 1 right angle. Next. Twelve o'clock to 9 o'clock. 12 to 9. 12 to 9.
Ma'am, three right.
Clockwise. Children, you have to check clockwise or anti-clockwise. 12 to 1 clockwise. Everything is clockwise only. 12 to 1.
Ma'am, 12 to 9 is three right angles.
No, 12 to 1 or they gave what they gave? 12 to 9, ma.
Ma'am, three right
What's
angles.
here?
And three.
Oh, yeah. 3 right angles. This part. 3 right angles. Very good. Next. Soumya. Okay. Deepika. 12 to 6. 12 to 6. 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Straight line. How many right angles you have?
2.
2 right angles. Good. Tarakeshwar. Tarak, please respond, Tarak. Tarak. Tarak, are you there, Nana? Tarak?
Yes, ma'am.
Nana. Tarak, please, question number 6 for you, all 4 bits, please. How many right angles do you make if you are start facing south and turn clockwise to west?
Ma'am, 3 right angles.
South and turn clockwise to west.
Ma'am, 3 right angles.
Very good. Because north, south, east, west. So what is our first bit is, what is the first bit? South to clockwise west. South to clockwise west.
Ma'am, 1 right angle.
Huh. How many right angles?
Ma'am, 1 right angle. Ma'am, 1
So-
right angle.
Very good, very good. Second one, very good, Sana. Second one. Tarak, second one. North and turn anti-clockwise. This is north and turn anti-clockwise to east.
And
You
3
are
right
at
angles.
north. You are turning and anti-clockwise. Reverse you are coming. 3 right angles. Very good. Now, Advika, west to turn east. West to west.
Ma'am, 4
West.
right angles.
Wonderful, wonderful. It's 4 right angles. Very good. West
Ma'am?
to west means you are coming again the same position, right? West to west, you are coming back to your original position. Complete angle makes there are 360 by 4, which is 90, means 4 right angles. Very good.
Ma'am,
South
I
and
have
turn,
it out.
Aishwarya.
Someone for the first one, it will be 3 by 4, right?
Which one, Aishwarya?
The 6th one, the first one, ma'am.
Only 1 right angle, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
South to west, they did not mention any clockwise. South to west, this is the south. Southwest. Southwest only 1/4. 1/4 means 1 right angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Nana. Very good, Aishwarya. West and turn to west, Aishwarya. West and turn to west. Sorry, it's done already by Advika. South and turn to north. South and turn to north. Clockwise. Nothing is given means clockwise.
Ma'am.
South to north. South to north.
180 degrees.
Very good. How many right angles?
2.
Very good. That's all. Coming to 7th question. Adrit,
Yes,
where
ma'am.
will the hour hand of clock stops if it starts from 6 and turns through 1 right angle? Your
Ma'am,
clock
is
is your
9?
clock is at 6 o'clock, beta. It is 6 o'clock and makes 1 right angle.
I'm 9.
Very good. It's 9. 9. Very good. Only 1 right angle means it is 9 o'clock. 3 hours, Nana. Each right angle makes 3 hours. So you just remember like that. 8 and turns 2 right angles. This is for Sri Tej. 8 and turns 2 right angles.
Ma'am, 2.
Very good. Very good. Very good, Sri Tej. Next, 10. The question to Ashwath.
Yes, ma'am.
10 and turn towards 3 right angle. 10 a.m. to 3 turns 3 right angles. You are at 10 o'clock. You are making 3 right angles. Or else you can make one more clear one, children. So it's a little confused one. We will clear it and do it once again. You can see from 8 and turns to right angles. From 8 and turns to right angles. From
Ma'am?
8. Yeah. This is 3. This is 6. This is 9. This is 12. 8. They mentioned at 8.
Ma'am,
Every
2
3 hours.
o'clock.
Huh?
Ma'am, 2 o'clock.
Think once, Nana. Think once. This is 6 hours. You add 8 to 6 hours. That's all.
3.
Huh. 6 hours. 8 to 2 right angles. 3 hours. Every 3 hours makes 1 right angle, right? Every 3 hours make 1 right angle. Correct, ma. You are said correct. Absolutely correct. It's 2 o'clock. Right. Correct, Ashok. Next, Soumya. Soumya, are you there?
I
Yes,
didn't.
Tarak. Tarak or Soumya. Anyone, please respond.
Ma'am, my question is 10 to 3. 10.
10 to 3 right angles. Yeah. 10 to 3 right angles. 10 to 3 right angles. 3 right angles. 9 to 3 right angles means you are at 6, right? But you started 10 means you are at
7.
just add 3 right angles means 3 3s are 9 hours you have to add, Nana. From here to 10 o'clock to 9 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
7.
Yes, you are at 7. Very good. Next, from 7 and turns to straight angles. This is 2 straight. 2 straight means what? 2 straight means complete. Can we complete angle? Complete angle means wherever you are starting, the ending point is also same. So from 7 to 7. 7 o'clock only. The clock will stop at 7 o'clock on. Right. That's all, children. That's about your basic exercise. It's very easy, children. Only the thing you can just see other names. Other names what? Acute angle. The rooftop, seesaw, open book. There are 4 angles are given. This is generally. Do you see each one of them less than 1/4 of revolution? Examine with your RA test. Okay. Larger than right angle, but less than straight angle. So obtuse angle. This already we discussed up here. Okay. Come on, children, please match the following. 5.3, please match it. Straight angle means Advika, straight angle means match with B. Straight angle means what?
180 degrees.
180 means is it half revolution?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Right angle.
Ma'am, who?
Yes, Aishwarya, please, ma. Right angle means
Ma'am,
match with your part of right side one.
one
Right,
fourth,
right.
one fourth.
Less than 1/4 revolution, more than 1/4 revolution.
Ma'am,
Exactly.
1/4 of a revolution.
Very good. 1/4 of revolution. Okay. Good. Next, Deepika, acute angle. Deepika, acute angle.
Option A.
Less than 1/4 revolution. Very good. Soumya, obtuse angle. Soumya,
Ma'am, more than
obtuse angle.
hello,
Yes, Soumya, I can hear you.
obtuse angle, ma'am.
Obtuse, ma.
Ma'am, more than half a revolution.
Option E. Is it option E?
No, ma'am. B, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, correct, Ashwath. It's between 1/4 and 1/2 because it is lies between 90 and 180. That's why it is 1/4 and 1/2 of revolution. What about reflex angle? Tarak. What about reflex angle?
More than
Tarak,
half a
are you there?
revolution. And more than half a revolution.
Very good. More than half revolution. Good. Now, you need to classify everyone. Please text me all together, children. Each and everyone should answer this. Because you people are only one chance you are getting. So everyone should answer. Text me the answers. Classify each one of the following angles as a straight, acute, right, or obtuse, or reflex. All together, there are F bits. See A bit, whether it is acute or obtuse or right, what type of angle you just name. A, acute, like that you should name all together and send to me. Let me check who will give first. All correct.
Ma'am, I am not confident with my answers.
Yes, I got the first because you are giving individually. Okay, anyway, let me check. My first answer I got from Deepika, correct. Soumya, correct. Yes, Ashwath, correct. Right, Ashwath, right. Aishwarya, good. Very good, Deepika. Once again, correct. Tarak. Wonderful. Good. Advika, two together. She gave right and obtuse. Yes, right and obtuse. C and D. Right and obtuse. Yeah, good. Still, I'm getting answers. Advika, all done. Very good. Aishwarya, acute. The reflex. Aishwarya, once check your debit, ma. Is it acute or reflex, Aishwarya? Because angle is given outside, not interior part.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That we have to consider where they mentioned this is exterior angle they're asking. So we have to take it's a reflex. Right, Aishwarya, Ashwath correct, Deepika correct, Tarak correct, leave it straight. Adrit acute, obtuse right, reflex straight, acute, wonderful. Wonderful. According to instructions here, Adrit given. Good. D is not obtuse. No, D is reflex, ma.
Ma'am, D is right or reflex?
D is reflex, Nana. You see D.
Ma'am, is mine correct?
Where is Sritej answers? 1 minute, Sritej, I'm checking.
Ma'am, I sent everything in chat box.
Yeah, Tarak, I am checking one by one you sent, right? Yeah, the last one you sent. One is acute, right? Almost all correct. Tarak, you are all correct, Tarak. Soumya was given. Right, where is Soumya answers? Soumya, please resend once. Oh, Sritej here. Acute, obtuse, reflex. Very good, Sritej. Reflex, acute. Once again, very good. Right, Advika? Almost first done by the student, Advika. Then Deepika also given. Only one part she have a little confusion. Tarak, Sritej, Adrit. Yes. Aishwarya. Ashwath, D reflex correct, Nana. E is straight, F is acute, right? You can check, children, this is less than, they're asking less than 90, so it's acute. It's more than 90, obtuse. It is exactly 90, so it is right. So this is more than 180. So more than 180 means reflex. It's exactly equal to 180. Straight line angle is 180. So this is less than 90. Both angles are less than 90, which are acute. Okay. And now about your protractor, children, you know the protractor, a semicircular instrument is your protractor. So you can see there is a baseline, down one. Half of semicircle is 90 degrees. 90 half means 45. 45 once again half means 22 and a half. Same way, if you comes towards right side, 90 and 180 half means 135. 135 and in between 180, it's 157 and a half. 157 and a half. Protract
Ma'am, you are on mute.
Okay, right. Sorry, children. It's coming to measuring part of you can measure the angles here using your protractor. So how you supposed to measure the angles means? Can we go with the what is the measure of right angle, children? What is the measure of right angle? What is the measure of right angle? Text me
90
quickly.
90 degrees.
How to text me quickly? Answers, please text me quickly. What is the measure of straight angle? First chart coming from Aishwarya, second Tarak, third Ashwath. Very good. Advika, Adrit, Sritej, very good. Soumya, where is 360 dear? Soumya, straight angle means? Beta, straight angle. Soumya, complete angle means 360, Soumya. Straight angle means 180. Yeah, come on, children. Second bit. Everyone, come on. All together you can give at a time, children. Don't give individual. All together at a time.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Measure of an angle less than 90 degrees. Acute angle less than 90. Obtuse angle less than 90. Reflex angle greater than 180. Complete angle is 360. Angle A 53, angle B is 35, then angle A is greater than angle B. Yes. Yes, correct. Yes or no? You have to just mention true or false. That's all. Yes, first Aishwarya, correct. Soumya, correct. Sritej, correct.
Ma'am,
Tarak,
the question.
question number?
Now you told now, ma'am.
B is false, children. C is true or false?
False, ma'am.
False.
Why false, C? Why false, C? More than 180 is reflex angle only, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why is you gave false? Soumya gave false here. Please check, Soumya. Yes, very good, Advika. Very good. Adrit, very good. Soumya, correct. Now, fourth one you gave correct. What about last one, children?
True.
Yes, Ashwath. What is the last one?
C true.
Hey, Ashwath, you gave first one false. That's wrong. Because the acute angle is less than 90. It's correct statement. Second one is false statement. First one is correct statement. It's very good, children. Almost done. Go with question number 3 once again. Write down the measurement of some acute angles. Measures of acute. 0 to 90 in between. You can write any angle like 55, 44, 33, 27, anything. Some obtuse angle. More than 90, less than 180, you can write. 91, 122, 179. You can write any angle. Very good. I got 3 answers already. 3 students, 5 students sent the answers. Good, Tarak. For A bit, you are correct, Aishwarya. For B bit, you gave some obtuse angles. Adrit, 44 and 4 degrees, 120 and 160. Very good, Adrit. All together. Yes, Soumya, correct. B bit more than 90, it's 120 you gave, correct. Good, 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 Aishwarya, Soumya. Yes. Correct. Come for next question. What is the fourth one, children? Check the fourth one. Measure the angles given using protractor and write down the measures. You have to measure, children. Take your textbook. How to measure? Do you know, children? How to measure, you know or not? Yes or no? How to measure the angles? Suppose, let me take your construction. I'll help you, children. One bit.
Ma'am, I know, but I didn't bring it.
Okay, not an issue. You just watch. I'll through construction board. I'll help you, children. 1 minute, children. I'll give a small construction table. Through the table we can.
Ma'am, is there any quiz today?
We'll go, ma. We'll go. Because once this portion was done, we will go with the part of the. Yes, correct, Tarak. Yeah. How to measure the angles? Suppose if you want to measure the angle of this, so just look, I just randomly took one of the angle here. Oh, sorry, I want to measure this angle. How to measure the angle, children? What is the first step we should do? Which instrument we are using to measure the angle, Sadvika?
Ma'am,
Yes. Which instrument we should use to measure the angles?
ma'am, protractor.
Which is the protractor among the semicircular one, right?
Yes, ma'am. And actually,
you just take
for
this.
this one, and for third one only, I said that B, you that said some obtuse angles. For that only, I sent the answer 120. It became real in this one.
Yeah, Tarak, correct only. Oh, you measured and you are giving that one.
No, ma'am. In the third bit, there is a question. B bit in some obtuse angles. In that, I sent 120. It became correct in that fourth one's B.
No, some acute angles means less than 90. Some obtuse angle you are given as acute. What?
I'm telling obtuse.
Obtuse 100 and 120, correct, right? You gave 100 and 120. Tarak, you gave 100 and 120, right? Both are more than 90 and less than 180, right? Tarak, obtuse angle means more than 90 and less than 180, beta. Is it any doubt?
No, ma'am.
You are correct. That's why I'm telling. Now, how to measurement? I should help you. Okay. See, children, I want to measure this angle. So to measure this angle, this is the instrument I should use to measure the angle. The name of the instrument is protractor. So protractor, this some down line, this line, 90 degrees line, this is the base point. That's your, this 0, base line. This is the midpoint. I have to place my midpoint exactly where your angle is fall. Then you need to adjust your protractor, which 0 baseline should be matched with your arm of your angle. So just I am adjusting. Still I should adjust. Yes, almost it came. Now this is 0 degrees. So which scale you should measure here? Inner scale angles. So 0, wherever 0 starts, you have to take 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 30, almost 40 degrees, children. What is the angle, children? What is the angle?
Ma'am, 40 degrees.
39, 40. Accurately, I think it's 39. So if you, yeah, some error, it's 39 degrees. Accurately, it is 39. Now I want to measure some other angle. Suppose I want to measure this. How to measure this angle, children? How to measure this angle? We should measure the angle. How to measure? Yes. Once again, you should take the protractor. Your one arm should be exactly that midpoint should be exactly lie on the meeting point. Wherever you both the arms are meeting and makes, that should be matched. And now you have to adjust your compass. Your baseline should be fall on your one of the arm of your angle. So baseline just I adjusted. Yes. Now you can check. This is the baseline should be coincidence with my one of the arm. So
Ma'am,
now
it's
you can.
120.
Ma'am, it's 120 degrees.
Very good. It's 120 degrees. It's 120 degrees. Right. It's 120 degrees. Now suppose if I want to measure reflex angle, how I should measure reflex angle, children? I have only till 180, right? How to measure reflex angle, children? Anyone in the class? I have still only 180 degrees. How to measure reflex angle, children?
Ma'am, I think we should take 2 protractors.
Ma'am, I think. Ma'am, I think.
Please think and let me know. Is any other way? Is there no need? I don't have 2 protractors. I have only one.
Ma'am, I think that we have to think that there is 180 degrees. We have to turn the protractor around and measure how much is there. Then we have to add it with 180 degrees.
Very good, Sriji. That is one way. Is any other simpler way? Is there simpler way, Tarak?
Ma'am, at the edge of the protractor, that will be at 180 degrees.
Okay. Any simple way is there to measure that? My brilliant students, please think there is another way is there to do this. If I measure this angle, I can subtract from 360 minus this part of whatever the part of angle.
Ma'am,
Which
that's
angle
what I was supposed to say. Ma'am, I was about to say that.
Oh, very good, Sritej. Really good. If you are able to think that way, it's really appreciable thing. Good. Good. Very good. Really good. Yes, Advika, do you need 2 protractors to do this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Like 180 degrees, we can mark it and and we can take the leftover part and we can measure it.
Okay, that's what she is telling, ma'am. You can take as a straight angle. This 180 you just leave, and this part of angle you measure. You just add with this together. 180 plus this angle together gives your reflex angle, right? Right. Very good, Advika. That is also correct, Advika. Very good, ma. Good. That's also correct. But easiest way coming to comparing with all the things, only interior. Yeah. Instead of, oh, sorry, almost everything was done. Okay, cleared. So instead of finding reflex angle, what you will do, you measure the interior angle. This angle you measure and subtract from 360. You will get this reflex angle. That's the easiest way, children. But you people are telling that's also correct. Very good. That is also correct. You can try the other bits using your protractor. What are the angles? You can try it, children. That's your question number 4 and 5. Almost these all questions are same like this. Find the angle of measure between the hands of clock in each figure. 9 to 12. So 9 o'clock. What is the angle, children? 9 o'clock. Hands in the clock in each of the following. Which angle, children? What is this angle?
Right angle.
Very good. Find the
Acute.
angle measure. Right angle. Here,
Acute.
total 12 hours, children. 12 hours equal to 360 means 1 hour equal to 360 divided by 12. How much?
Ma'am, 30.
Very good. It's 30. 1 hour equal to 30. Very good. 6 hours?
180.
180. Very good. It's a straight angle.
Straight angle.
Straight angle, it's 180. Very good. This is also your investigation, children. You can do it. You can try using your part of protractor. The given figure angle measures 30. Look at the given through magnifying glasses. Does the angle become larger? Okay, using magnifying glasses, the angle become larger. Does the size of the angle changes anyway? Is it so, children? If you use magnifying glasses also, the angle doesn't change. Yes or no? Did you change the angle if you see some other magnifying glasses and using that? Did anything notice? No, it's absolutely no.
Yes, ma'am.
Same, say if you use magnifying glasses or else whatever the type of glasses, the measure of the size of angle never change. Perpendicular lines. This is more important topic, children. Perpendicular lines. Okay. Children, next class words, please let you know your teacher which part are going means you can start from exercise 5.5. Okay. You just put a word to them. Exercise 5.5, we should start. Please remember the part, children. Till here we completed perpendicular lines, or else I put a word to perpendicular lines, because anyway this is measurement only. Using protractor you have to measure, and which type you have to name the. You have to use your protractor. AOB angle you should measure, whether it is acute, right, or obtuse, or reflex. What type of angle you have to write the type of angle in this table.
Ma'am,
From next.
Ma'am was absent when you explained perpendicular lines. Can you kind of like brush up the concept to me?
Yeah, surely we will go with perpendicular lines next class. Surely we will discuss. Then we can go with the intersecting lines. We discussed. Perpendicular lines I did not discuss, because perpendicular lines are lines which intersect at 90 degrees, children. That's all. The meeting and makes an angle 90 degrees, then we can call it as perpendicular lines. Perpendicular symbol is volta T. If you remember, this is volta T, reverse T. So perpendicular symbol is, this is the volta T.
Ma'am,
Next.
ma'am, it's like two straight lines.
That is parallel beta. Two straight lines are parallel.
No, ma'am. It's like two straight lines meet at the middle point.
Only one, this is parallel, Nana. These are two lines means parallel. This is perpendicular. So what is perpendicular? Two intersecting lines makes an angle 90 means we can call those angles as perpendicular lines. That's the point, only the point. We will see it next class also. Sritej, not an issue. That's all for the day, children. Bye. Have a nice day. The other class students are waiting. It's almost 9:06. We'll end up the session. Next class, we'll play the part of quizzes on this. From
Okay, ma'am.
perpendicular lines onwards, we should discuss. Okay. Bye, children. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye. Yes.
11th one is
Right, children.
homework.
Today's homework, you can what you can take this part. Who is Prasad? Ma'am, Prasad is joining every time. Who is this Prasad? Homework part is you can there is a table, children. You can look here. I'll help you. The table you need to measure the angles of the part. You can complete this part, Nana. You can see 11th bit is your homework. Take 11th bit as your homework. You can measure each of the angle and which type of angle you can write. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we stop, children?
Ma'am, we should write the
No,
table.
first you have to measure this angle and write the number here. And if you see it is less than 90, which is acute. More than 90 and less than 180 means obtuse. It is exactly 90 means right angle. Exactly straight angle means 180 degrees. Like that you can write the name of the angle.
Ma'am, you can post a screenshot in the group because nobody is there.
Okay, okay, right, Nana. Okay, Ashwath, okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Nana. Bye.